Is snoring getting in the way of your sleep? The grating sound that snoring makes is caused by a small obstruction that keeps air from flowing through the mouth and nose. Snoring isn't considered a disease in and of itself, nor does it usually present a hazard to your health, but it can negatively impact your quality of sleep and also indicate that there's a different problem in the body. If snoring is keeping you up at night and preventing you from getting the rest you need, you're probably looking for a way to alleviate it. Although it's a very common issue, it can become a major cause of stress among couples and families. This is why in today's article we want to share some of the best tips for preventing and treating that snoring that's keeping you awake, either your own, your partner's, or that of a family member. Recommendations to prevent and reduce snoring. Things to avoid before bedtime: alcohol, medications, coffee, and heavy foods. Taking these before you go to sleep may increase the likelihood of snoring and can actually worsen your snoring problem. Alcohol causes snoring by making the muscles of your throat relax too much. And overeating at night, particularly foods that are high in calories, can obstruct your airways and cause the diaphragm to stretch, which increases snoring. Wash your sheets and pillowcases on a regular basis. Using the same bed sheets for a long time can create the perfect environment for dust mites and other allergy-causing organisms. This causes congestion even in the people who don't have allergies, and that shortness of breath results in snoring. Sleep on your side. To reduce snoring, the best sleep position is on your side. When you sleep on your back, your tongue rests against your palate and throat, making it more difficult to breathe. One of the best ways to learn to sleep on your side is to place a tennis ball behind the small of your back, so that if you try to roll over it becomes uncomfortable. Treat your allergies. If you're a frequent allergy sufferer or often feel congested, this might be the cause of your snoring. To relieve your allergies and alleviate snoring, it's a good idea to take a decongestant or antihistamine at bedtime. But be sure to only take these medications according to your doctor's instructions, and try not to take them for long periods of time. Avoid becoming overweight. Both excess weight gain and obesity can increase your likelihood of snoring. This is because a heavy body weight puts pressure on your airways, making breathing more difficult. If you're overweight, start trying to lose a few pounds to fight your snoring and improve your overall health. Use additional pillows. Propping up your head with extra pillows helps your airways remain open, preventing snoring. Home remedies to fight snoring. In addition to remembering the above recommendations, you should also consider trying some of the following home remedies to prevent and fight snoring. Gargling with peppermint or spearmint. Mint can be very effective in treating snoring that's caused by colds or allergies. Just add a drop of essential oil of peppermint or spearmint to a glass of cold water, and gargle with this mixture. This simple remedy will help clear your airways and prevent that annoying snoring. Grate 50 grams of rue and store it in a dark bottle of olive oil. Let this mixture steep for 14 days and then use a gentle massage to apply it to the bridge of your nose, neck, and throat every night before you go to sleep. Lemon and honey. Lemon juice and honey are excellent for preventing and fighting snoring because they reduce mucus that can clog your airways, making breathing easier. To prepare this treatment, just squeeze a fresh lemon into a glass and add 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix these 2 ingredients well and drink it before bedtime.